Okay, good afternoon, Year 8. I hope you guys are doing well. First things first, I'm so sorry about all the glitches that you guys were having yesterday with your Shoma homework and Heggerty. As I said in the description of your task for today, the server I think was just massively overloaded. You know, the whole country, it seemed, were trying to log in at the same time to those websites. I've had reassurance that now they have been working really hard in those teams to fix all those issues, so it should be working fine from today. If it's not, please do stay patient with it. Keep trying things. It will work eventually. And please do let me know either by email or by commenting on today's task that you're still having problems. Anyway, what I wanted to do from now on is each day when I set you your Connect Grid, I want you to do your Connect Grid in your book, either by printing it or by just writing out your numbered questions. And then I'm going to create these little videos just so we have a bit of teaching time. I can give you any key messages and things like that as well each day. As always, guys, just like in normal classwork, I will do answers to some of the questions straight away. You can then just pause this video and answer and green pen them, At the beginning of the week, I will go through your normal fluency questions, and then we will go through less and less of them as the week goes on, because obviously all the questions are so similar. So I'll go through all 3 of them today. Just quickly pause the video first of all and green pen the top 3. Okay, now that you've done that, let's do Fluency 1A together. Okay guys, so first of all, this is a very clear example of inverse proportion. I know it's inverse proportion because there's one thing is decreasing, the other thing is increasing. You've got to think logically. More builders would take less time, so less builders must take more time. So first of all, the way I want to set my working out here, I want to say that 5 builders would take 4 days. I need to get down to how long it would take 1 builder. So if I go down to 1, that means I'm dividing by 5 on this side, which means on this side it's inverse, so I need 2 times by 5. That means 1 builder, it would take them a total of 20 days. Now, we find out that 1 builder is sick, which means there is 4 builders left. If there's 4 builders left, I need to say I'm going to times it by 4 on this side, which means I need to divide by 4 on this side. That means 4 builders would take a total of 5 days to complete this task. Just green pen that one. Okay, next one then, Fluency 1B. Fluency 1B then, we need to first count how many sides have we got. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is an irregular hexagon. I know the sum of my interior angles is n minus 2 times 180. In this case then, that's going to be 4, 6 minus 2 times 180. I know 2 times 180 is 360, so 4 times 180 must be double that, which is 720 degrees. That means all of these added together must be 720. So if I add them all up, take it away from 720, I find out what x is. So I'll do that quickly. 120 plus 110 plus 135 plus 130 plus 100. Add all that together. I'll very quickly use my calculator. 120 plus 110 plus 135 plus 130 plus 100. That gives me a total of 595 degrees. If I do 720, take away that 595, so 720, use that clever answer button on my calculator, I get 125 degrees. Looking at it, that is bigger than 90, it's less than 180, that does make logical sense. Just quickly green pen that one. And then finally, our Fluency 1C. Find the circumference of a circle with a radius of 12. Nice and easy. I know that circumference is pi times diameter. I need to be careful though, because this gave me the radius. If the radius is 12, I know the diameter is double that. Remember, my circle That's my radius. My diameter is the whole thing. My diameter would be 24 centimetres. Therefore, my circumference would just be 24 times pi. Leaving my answer in terms of pi is 24 pi. That is it. Okay, guys, make sure that's entirely green pen. You've done a nice date and title in your orange classwork book, please. And then today's lesson, it's introducing ratio. Now, the videos on Hegarty for this are very, very good. There's no point me replicating that video or doing a PowerPoint when it does explain it so nicely already. Please complete the Hegarty tasks that I've assigned for you on there. Once you've done with those, making sure you're writing out examples in your orange classwork book, and you're writing your questions, you're working out your answers, and then you're green penning them. Once you've done all those things, please could you complete one round of memory. So today's lesson, now you've done your Connect Grid, you need to do your examples, quizzes, and green pen them on Hegarty Maths, and then one round of memory. Remember now, as I said in the description, you need to do 3 rounds of memory per week. Thanks very much, Year 8. Have a good day. As always, any problems, any questions, give me a shout. Thank you.